guys, I'm back. I am here. I'm doing a few unboxing things because I ordered stuff. Nothing like major, but I forgot what I ordered. So that's very exciting to me. And then I ordered a few things from Amazon, some foundation. So I was just watching a tutorial with a girl, Samantha. It's like Rob something. I call her Rivendell. Lord of the Rings. She even looks like a like one of those people, you know, that race, the elf ones. She looks like that. So I was watching her, and then no wait, was it Raw Beauty Christie? She was talking about a foundation she likes, and she always used to go with this kind, the Infallible, but she doesn't use it because they're not cruelty free. So what did Jamie do? She went out and bought the not cruelty free one because she said it's really good and this is cheap. And it's not that I'm for cruelty to animals because I love animals. Hi Goomba, I love you. But I decided to try it, and I went a little bit darker because even though like that doesn't make sense, my skin always looks the best when I use darker foundations. So I'm also going to do a L'Oreal because I love L'Oreal. They're like my brand, and it's a Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer. So I'm gonna try that as like a base. I don't know if I'm supposed to. And I also just reached 51 subscribers. Thank you. It's so exciting. So what do I have to celebrate? That's my beer. So pardon me while I open this. So I had an interesting week, and now everything's like coming together, so I'm gonna celebrate. So thank you guys. Like, I know that sounds ridiculous, like 51. It's not like 500 million. I don't know if anyone has that, but whatever. It means a lot to me, because just like before when I had like 14, I was like, oh my god, 14 people. And then it was like 20, and I was really excited. And now like 51, that means a lot to me, so thank you. And I know a lot of people, I don't have the best opener, so I just kind of, no. Stop. Yeah, Corona is my beer. I never liked beer until I tried a Corona, and then I was like, I could get used to that. Am I allowed to drink on camera? Like, demonetized. I'm not even monetized. Oops. So thank you for helping me reach that. Like, honestly, it means the world to me. And then a lot of people, oh, there's so many, like, there's a lot of opinions out there. And if anybody knows me, I don't care about other people's opinions. Like, about me. I used to when I was younger. Don't care. So good. Corona, man. So I got a Sigma. Look at the packaging. It's like black and pink. I love their packaging. So you're just gonna be here with me. I'm gonna be doing a makeup look. Depending on what I get in these two boxes, I also have a ColourPop that I'm unboxing. Don't remember what I got, but whatever. I always give you the little thing, you know. What did I get? Oh, I did get this. Sigma Dry and Shape Tower Face and Eyes. And the reason I got this is because I got a special discount. It was 40% off. Last time it was 35%, and it was like sent to me by this like, it was a different name in the inbox. It wasn't Sigma. It was like special person. So I was like, I'm special, so why not? And then I ordered stuff, and then I just got 40%. That's really generous. So what did Jamie do? Okay. Yeah, this is really cool. Maintain brush shape and performance. I'm going to use this week because I have to wash all of my brushes. You should see all the colors. I need to wash everything. If I drink this too fast, you're going to see me get really loopy and really friendly. Yes. Over there. What else did I get? That seriously off. Brush scrub. Okay. What else did I get? Oh, look, there's more. Wait. Did I get any more? Okay. So I guess. Okay, so then I got 2 brushes. I got an E48 pointed crease. Can you see that? Oh, this is focused. Crease control. Long pointed wispy brush head. Recommended use. Use tip of brush to pick up darker shades and apply using a rolling motion for crease control. It looked interesting because it's like longer. Do you see that? And then I got a flat kabuki brush. The F80, because the one I have now, this is by It Cosmetics. It's really nice. It's the Heavenly Luxe. You see that? It's good, but what happens with kabuki brushes, the bristles eventually start like popping out. So it's always good to have one, and I like Sigma brushes. So holla. Ooh, ooh. So yeah, so I got those like that. And then my beautiful brush drawer. I've got to do a video of my vanity. You guys are gonna be so jealous. I'm like, what are you made of money? I have negative money. That's fine. And now I have ColourPop. I don't remember what I ordered. I just got a ColourPop thing. Let's find out. Holy world. Did you see all this? Alright, so what Jamie got? ColourPop pressed glitter. Oh, look, it's like a little packet. Got like a gold one. Excuse me. Oh, neato. It's like that. Okay. I got... Okay. I don't know if you've ever heard me talk about Super Shock shadows. Love them. Highly recommend it. This video is not sponsored. It'd be so cool to one day be one of those people that gets to say that. So, remember to like, comment, subscribe. So I got a white one. Can you see that? White. I got, what's this color? This color is called Kelp Me. It's like an orangey, peachy kind of thing. I got, and it looks kind of cracked. But okay. Dream Lover. Oh, it's cracked. ColourPop. I cracked it. It's really pretty though. It's like a purpley color. Alright. I also got another Villains Jelly Much shadow in the shade Not Today. Wait, do I seriously already have this? If I did this, I swear to God. Oh, no, I don't. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Okay. And then I got a brush. Why is it? Oh, ColourPop. F12. I figure it's kind of like a neat... It's more dense, which I like, because I don't have a lot of room. They have like, what do you call them? Hooded eyes, kind of. Not extremely, not the worst one, but okay. And then I got lashes. I got So those ones were called Baddie. Those are Baddie. And then I got Doll. Those are like really flirty. And then I got Shorty. Oh, it's adorable. Yes. These were like so cheap. And then Can't Be Tamed Ultra Glossy Lip. I was very excited. So I got, so it's wait, ultra blotted lip. So one, this says blotted lip, and this is glossy lip. I don't know if you're supposed to use them together or how you do that. No idea. Glossy and a blotted. Maybe I could use them together, but I thought the colors were really pretty, so I did it. Can't blame me. Oh, that is it. That was ColourPop. And so what I'm gonna do, this is fun. Thank you for joining me while I celebrate 51 subscribers. Thank you. Means a lot. So now, next, 100. Get me there. I think some people were like, doesn't bother you that a lot of your views come from people wanting to see you sneeze? Nope. Just did this because I was bored and I like to do makeup. So whether you're here to see me do makeup or see my adorable sneeze, that's your business. You do you. Don't worry about other people. Alright, so I'm gonna first go in Roomy Glotion thing. I don't know how you're supposed to use it, like underneath the, oh. Okay. So let's just use it as like a base to make things glowy. Watch this. Oh. Oh. Got glow everywhere. Like that. I'm trying not to put my face down. I put my mirror up a little bit more. I'm sitting at a very, very different angle. Hopefully that helps. Excuse me. I don't know what that did. I'm suspicious. I always take whatever I'm putting on over my eyes. I don't know. There you go. Do you see? As soon as I start putting makeup on my face, Alright, well, is that glowy? Doesn't feel heavy or anything. Now this isn't going to match this, obviously, but I'm gonna kind of show you how you can get away with that, because I've done it before and people are like fascinated. So I'm just gonna use this. The finish is radiant, wears up to 24 hours. Coverage is medium. Texture, air light. Alright, shake well. Dot onto skin in rolling motion. Do you hear that? Wait. Does that make you uncomfortable? 51 subscribers. I have a date tomorrow. Yep. Be super fun. I'm liking this single life thing. Way better than being in a relationship. Okay, so I just put some, oh look, it's an M. And I'm just gonna, cause yeah, I think it was Raw Beauty Christy that said this like foundation was like her favorite, but then she had to switch because she couldn't support them. And I understand that, I respect that. But that's all I'm gonna say. I don't know if this is showing up on camera, but it almost looks like it does match. Do I have darker skin than what I think I do? This is in the shade Creamy Natural. I always go for like porcelain. I'm gonna do like one more thing. You know, the Instagram way of applying makeup. Wow, this, okay. I think this is going to surpass my OG favorite, which is the Maybelline one, the Fit Me. Like, I mean, I know it looks really shiny on the monitor, because I'm looking at the monitor right now. But if you were to see how this applies up close, like, you know when you do your makeup and you think it looks really nice, and then you go up close and you're like, whoa, that's my skin. Like, can you guys see that? It's like legit flawless. Infallible. ProGlow. Definitely glowy. Radiant Finish. Wow. Because like if you could actually see it up close, there's like no flaws. Like it's not sticking to my dry patches. It's just like going on flawlessly. Alright. I'm kind of shook as. Now, kind of looks like it matches, but if you ever have to go with a darker foundation, because it really will make your skin look better, the lighter I go, the deader I look. So take a lighter foundation, the one that fits you, which is the Makeup Forever. I like this one, Ultra HD stick, and just, you know, do that under here, because the main place that you don't want to see that difference is from like your jawline to down here. So put it right there, and then just blend. Like that, blend down, so then, and then make sure though, don't just stop there, and then make sure that you blend up like the line, because you don't just, because if you just do that, you're also gonna see a difference. You're gonna be like, oh, she's like 2, so you have to do shading. Think of shading, and then kind of go up, and make sure that it goes kind of the perimeter, and then you want to do the same thing around like right here and right here to kind of tie, you know what I mean? So it's starting out light to dark in the center, and then people won't notice that you have a darker foundation because it'll all kind of blend. So just like go in, you know? Like, you get me. Because I've just always loved, even, I'll go darker, like even a sand color is really nice and I love it on my skin. But if you're just doing fast application, I can't get away with that. Because then you have to do the shading thing, which I don't like. Wow. So glowy, but I also don't know if that's because of this glow thing. So next time I do makeup, I'm gonna use that foundation without this under it. It's really, wow. So do you see? You can't really like tell that much. Wow, I really like that. I'm just gonna put some Makeup Forever, the Ultra HD translucent powder, which is my favorite powder. You just gotta be careful. It has major flashback. I have a picture. It's like one of my favorite pictures. It was me with my ex. We were, I think, at Texas Roadhouse. I remember which way I was facing. Does that sound weird? I have one of those like picture memories, like photo, whatever you call it, where like I know exactly where I was, which way I was facing, what I was wearing. And I was wearing this like burgundy shirt that was like cut here and then down. And I did my makeup like flawlessly. I don't know what it was for. Maybe one of our anniversaries or whatever, birthday. And I took a picture and then I went to post it to Facebook. And all you could see was like the powder that I had put under here and up here. And I thought it was something, I thought I went out without wiping off my powder, and I was mortified. And I remember thinking like, why didn't my ex tell me? It's not that, it's just because this is major flashback. So if you're planning on taking pictures, don't use this, please. Otherwise, it's honestly one of the best powders I've ever tried. And I'm gonna use this the Sigma Soft Blend Concealer. I'm just gonna powder around here because it seems like ultra shine right there, and I don't like a whole lot of shine in that area. I like it in certain places, but here and here is not the place I like shine. I also just saw a video by Jamie French. She was using the Toddy makeup thing. She used this pore blurring powder. I never believed in those. I'm like, what does it do? You can't even tell it's working. Hers did. Like as soon as she put it on, it was amazing. I actually saw it work. Whereas this one, I don't think it has like a pore blurring type thing. But that one did. So I think I'm gonna buy it. I have to go back and look at what brand it was. But I'm gonna do it. Brow wigs. Just gonna do whatever. I'll be right back. Hi. I went a little bit thicker than what I normally do. I don't know why. You know what? Maybe I'll use my Sweet Talk palette by ColourPop again, and then I'll use some Super Shocks with that to go over. I don't know. I'm gonna grab a dirty Sigma, the E25 brush. First, I'm gonna use, it's called Catch Me in the corner, just to put some color on the lids. And normally, use a clean brush, not a brush that already has color on it. Okay. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take that Villains, the Jelly Much Shadow, the green one. I just think it needs a green pop. Because you know me, I like mixing colors. I think green would be really, really pretty with that. So we're gonna do it. Oh, it's so pretty. Do you see that? Those colors, they just look like they go together. Oh, I'm gonna do it. Because I can. You can't tell me that I can't. Be your own person. Alright. I'm gonna... Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna be daring right now. I'm gonna do a white wing liner. Hey, 51 subscribers. Cheers to doing what you want. Delicious. Never done this before. I'm back. I don't know why. Because I have 51 subscribers. That's why. Now, highlight, I'm gonna do, obviously, that. I'm gonna do Blue Moon today. I don't know, let's see if this, ooh. Wow. I just took this look and made it like space. Just gonna tap up here since, I don't know. And a little bit of pink heart on top of it. Glow baby. I think that's what Nikki Tutorials calls her her subscribers. Glow babies. Well, I could definitely qualify as one right now. I don't know why. People like 10 minutes ago would have been like, you've gone too far. But that, wait, did I do some inner corner? Oh, I did. But that's what's fun about makeup. Like, just play with it. I don't see why people are so afraid of it. Put some color in your world. I'm just cleaning up my vanity as I go. I'm normally kind of like a chaotic, messy person in a room, but when it comes to my vanity, very, very particular. Things need to be nice and neat. I don't like messiness. I like them all. Okay, Jamie, now is not the time. Stop it. Hold on. I'm going. That goes there. Oh God, such organization. I should show you guys. Imagine if I showed up to my date tomorrow like this. Really. Now I'm gonna use one of those lip things. Probably won't match, but I'm gonna do ultra glossy, ultra blotted. I don't know. Let's go. That's pretty. Oh, that shade is really pretty. That's Cloud Chaser. Alright, now I'm gonna, I hate liquid lips. You all know this. But I'm gonna do the gloss on top of it. Ooh. Alright. I see you. Don't you hate that? See, that's the reason I don't like liquid lipstick. Is because you make like one mistake, like following the shape, and it's just like, it's so noticeable. And you can't really get away from it. But whatever. What? Oh, no. Thing came off. Go back. Oh. Hey. No. Well, that is what I have for you. Thank you for joining me as I played with makeup and did something weird. I don't know. And all I'm gonna do is just take it right off as soon as I'm done filming. But that was fun. So thank you again for helping me reach over 50 subscribers. I truly, truly appreciate you. This is fun, so I hope you stick around. I'm never gonna stop filming. This is fun. And hopefully I'll eventually start doing cake stuff. See me decorate cakes, or attempt to. Because it gets harder and harder as the years go by. And my hand doesn't work, and I can't feel it. So decorating is a little hard right now, but it's fine. Everything will be fine. So thank you very much. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow me on, I'll list it in this video, but Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I hate Snapchat. I don't do a whole lot on there. I don't like it. It's evil. Whatever. So thank you. I'll probably be filming not one tomorrow, because I have a date. So I probably won't have time. So maybe next week. Or during the week if I have time. Wow, I need a nose hair trimmer. Yep. Oh. I just saw my floater again. I have a floater. It's really annoying when I look in like light colored things, so I can see it. I was in a car accident. Dude hit me from behind. My neck went forward, you know, like that. And ever since then, I have headaches every day. I eat Advil like it's freaking candy. It's not good for me, but what else do you want me to do? I saw a chiropractor for a long time, and that didn't do anything. But whatever. And then I have a floater, because I have like something gel detachment, so something like detached in my eye because of the jarring of it. Oh, what did I just do? And so now wherever I look, there's just like little like things in my vision. In my right eye, I have optic neuritis in my left eye from the MS, and now it's fine. I'm not bitter at all. Yes, I am. Because now that's something that'll never go away. And I'm assuming back pain and headaches don't ever go away. So I'm just gonna be that girl that's always on Advil. Don't wanna be. But I don't know what else to do. So thank you for joining me. So like, comment, subscribe, share. And until then, be kind. Don't be mean to anybody. Be nice. Put some color in your world. I love this lip. And stay humble.